Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Gmail account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to enable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section from the left-hand menu. This area contains various security options for your account. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the signing into Google section. Here, you will see the option for two-step verification. Click on it to start the setup process. Step 4. Start the setup process. Click on the Get Started button. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now your Gmail account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your recovery options updated in case you need to regain access in the future.